You okay? You okay? You okay? He looks okay. You're good. You're good. Okay. Okay. What did you do?
Hi, I'm Srizana Acharya.
I'm Benjamin Verbois. And I'm Samuel Didon. And
We are our
Power
Power
Group, and this is PowerPenguin.
Ladies and gentlemen, whether you didn't get enough sleep last night or the hum of the engine just does that to you, either way, drowsy or otherwise distracted driving is responsible for thousands of road accidents every year, millions of dollars in damage, and countless lives lost. I myself can't tell you how many times, how many close calls I've had, just like this one you saw a few minutes ago, every single week. By the way, guys, are we still good for me to take us to the movies tonight?
No.
Introducing PowerPenguin. This fine fellow sits on your vehicle dashboard while you drive to keep a close eye on you and snap you to attention if you find yourself drifting away in the driver's seat. As soon as his all-seeing eye or his all-feeling accelerometer catches a glimpse of undesirable behavior, the Penguin bursts to life with luminous lights, flapping flippers, and a variety of surprising sound effects that are sure to get your attention.
But how, Station? How is something like this even possible? What makes this thing tick?
I'm glad you asked. The PowerPenguin is powered primarily by the Raspberry Pi 4, running PiOS Bookworm. When the Penguin boots up and the Pi loads a Python script that uses Google's MediaPipe AI computer vision framework to track the driver's face as they drive through the Pi camera module 3. MediaPipe can detect common signs of drowsy driving such as low blink rate, head nodding. The script also listens for extreme acceleration or deceleration, more common signs of inattentive driving with the MPU 6050 accelerometer. When the camera or accelerometer detects drowsy driving, the Pi sends out a signal via GPIO pins to the Penguin's alarm components. And what components are those, Ben?
I'm glad you asked. The PowerPenguin's alarm involves two arrays of 4 RGB LEDs that flash between red and blue, 2 servo motors on the side that flap the Penguin's wings up and down, and a speaker on the back that'll play whatever alarm sound is currently selected. To select the alarm sound, you can use the rotary encoder attached on the front. You'll hear a short preview of whatever sound or song you switch to. Also included with the PowerPenguin is a cooling fan to keep your feathery friend cool in the heat. But be sure to set him in the shade when you get out of the car. The components within the Penguin receive power from a 5-volt regulator that steps down the voltage from the 12-volt auxiliary outlet in your car. The Pi, LEDs, speaker, motors, and fan receive power directly from the regulator, while the accelerometer, rotary encoder, and camera get all the power they need through the Raspberry Pi.
Alright, mates, now can I drive us to the movies?
No. Wait, guys. Now we have the power of PowerPenguin. This fine fellow is everything we'll need to keep me awake for going to the cinema, for going to school, for going to grandma's house. It's so simple to set up. It's so simple to use. The sound effects are fun and funny and startling. The next-gen face tracking technology is foolproof. I'll never have to worry about getting my 8 hours. Guys? Oh boy.